Hello everybody, this is Val with This Is How You Do It, and you are cooking with Val. What I am making now is chicken salad. So you say chicken salad? Yes, chicken salad. What I did was I put some chicken quarters in the oven, and then I deboned them. I had two pans. This is one that I deboned and shredded so that I can make the chicken salad. You just take those, and it's really easy. Cover them, season them, cover them up, stick them in the oven, take them out, take the bones out of it, and then mash them up, and then get ready to put your a little mustard, mayonnaise, and relish in them, and some seasoning, and then you have your chicken salad. If you like onions and things like that, that's up to you. But to keep it basic, you just use the relish, the mustard, and the mayonnaise with the seasoning. I'm going to put the chicken salad together now. So what? I'm going to take a little relish. Well, I'm going to just dab a little mustard in first. Get that over with. You can use your mustard. I'm going to use about 3 since it's such a big pan. And then I'm going to get some, I'm going to rinse this off. Some meal. About 4 of those. Use a little bit more mayo than you use the relish. Some relish. You don't want it too soupy or it's watering. And just a little bit. And now I'm going to put some seasoning in it. The black pepper. Get it open here. Yeah, there we go. Some black pepper in it. If this has a lot of mayonnaise, mustard, and relish in it, what I'll do is get some of that and put it with it. But I'm making this right now so I can turn it over easier. A little garlic powder in it. Now you season to your taste. That's the best way to fix it when it comes to the seasoning. And then stir it up. Real easy, real simple. This is chicken salad made easy. And if you could look at it and see if there's anything else you need in it. Some people cook by sight, and that's the way I do it. I kind of know when it's how I want it to look. You move this at your eye view. And this saved me a big deal about boiling the chicken. I didn't have to boil it. Just put it in this pan, season it, and pop it in the oven. That's the hardest work. Is just squeezing the bones out of it. And that's not really hard. Let me just show you how to do that. You take one of these. Look how easy that pull out. And you're going to keep that part out right there. Then you get that joint right there. There seems to be always a little bone in there. You search for that bone. A little stick. You search for that stick. Make sure you get that. Make sure you get that end off of that quarter. Hands clean. Wear gloves if you must. There's another bone. Search around now. You drop that first. First you pour off your liquid though. I have a lick that pull off that liquid. I'm gonna make some egg drop soup with that. You take off that side right there. See, this is all meat. You can just drop that down and look through this. There may be a piece right there, and that's it. Now, if you want to be careful, you might not want to grab all of that, because that's how the little bones get in your food. That's it. That's how you do the deboning. I just thought I would give you an example on how to do that, in case somebody didn't know. And then when you get all your meat down in your pan, you can squish it up with your hands, or you can put it in your blender and blend it up. That's up to you. Let me see if I need anything else in it. Always do a taste test to know what your company is going to eat. That's really good. I think it needs some more. I'm gonna put some more mayonnaise in it. First, a little more relish. A little more everything. Now that soaked it right up. Like I said, you go according to your taste. Let's try it again. Every time you put something in it, you season. You layer your seasoning. Because everything that goes in takes up the seasoning. It makes it weaker. And then stir. Some people like those, I guess those red pimentos and stuff, but this is just basic. Having a party, straight to the point. Now you can take these and put it on a sandwich. Cut the edges off of it, cut the ends off the sandwich all the way around it. After you make the sandwich, and then wedge it, and then you have those little sandwich wedges for your party. Or you can do it with crackers, potato chips. And if you can catch your leg quarters on sale, it's even better. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It, showing you how to make chicken salad. Bye-bye now.